Well, as you can see, it's raining, but I'm gonna give it a little swing today. Let's see how we do. Oops, alright. See you on the next when we get to our destination. Alright. Excuse me, look at here, folks. We got what looks like a silver rain. A small one. Small one. Got it silver. Oops, sorry. Cool. Cool. Awesome. Was expecting a penny. Alright. We'll catch you on the next. Cool. See ya. I moved into a little bit of a bushier area. And look at what I pulled out here. Oh, yes. We got us a bug. Volkswagen. Bunch buggy. Awesome. Awesome. Sweet. Sweet. Alright. Let's see what else we can get. Look at that. Just got a green weedy. What year is it? It's pretty shallow. It's just in that little clump there. Let's see what year we got. The rain's taking a break. It's probably going to come back soon. Can't make that out. Maybe you guys can. Alright, catch you on the next. Alright, look at that. We just got ourselves a KG6 penny. 1942. Oop. Trying to focus on the background. Sweet. Alright. Let's see what else we can get. Catch you on the next. Alright, well. Looks like we got a silver. Look at that. Who is it? It looks like a young Lizzie. Awesome. Cool. Alright. 6-inch, doing its job with the Equinox. Alright. Get you on the next. See ya. Alright. We just got another weedy. 50-something. Cool. Alright. We will catch you on the next. Alright, well, we got something. I'm not sure what it is. It's definitely something. Don't know. It's got writing on the side. Some kind of religious thing. Alright, we'll catch you on the next. See ya. We're working our way back to the truck. It's starting to rain again. And we just got a KG6 penny. There he is. Don't know what year it is. Let's see if we can find out. Raindrop just hit the penny. Looks like a 37? What? 47. Awesome. Alright, see you on the next. Could be the last coin. Alright, folks. I'm under the shelter of these trees a bit, but it's raining again. But I think I see my another silver coin in the clump. Right there. Oh yeah. Wasn't even deep. Look at that. Who do we have here? Who do we have? Another young Lizzie. Alright. Couple silvers. Awesome. Wicked. Catch you on the next. Well, another George. And a few more Liz pennies. This side is pretty crusty. Alright, well, we're getting lots of coins, so we'll plug around a little bit and slowly work our way to the truck. Catch you on the next. 20, another hunt cut short. But, you know, it rained hard yesterday, so I'll probably just combine the two hunts from yesterday and today. There was just too much rain to make it a full long hunt each day. So, we are just going to work our way home, and we will see you when we get there. That was a real good spot. Alright, we'll see you when we get home for the wrap up. Going up. He's heading up out of the valley. See you there. Alright folks, just a little wrap from a couple of soggy days. It's been raining pretty much non-stop. I got out a little bit this morning for a bit before the rain started again, but yesterday I tried to go out and it was just pouring. I really only filmed this silver ring, 925. It is stamped. It's in there. Kind of cool. Yeah, I got a couple young Liz pennies and a couple of medium 70s pennies, young or Lizzies. So I didn't stay very long. I was soaked. It was so muddy. It was just too hard to take the gloves. I couldn't even wipe the coins clean. It was hard to read them. So then I went back out this morning. We had a couple of hours where the break in the rain, and I did okay. We got 3 kg 6 pennies, 2 young Lizzie pennies, a 1966 and a 1969 Lizzie penny, and 3 Wheaties. We also got this cool Volkswagen Bug. Still got the wheels. That wheel went kind of weird. It looks like he's doing a heavy turn. Cool. And we got this prayer. And we got 2 young Lizzie silvers, and they both happen to be 62. Both 80% silver. Awesome. Alright, well, it was a wet one, but I managed to still get out and squeak out a few cool finds. So we'll see you on the next adventure, and come on back out soon. See you next time.